Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the driver portion must be non-paged blue screen error you are receiving on your Windows computer, and this error message reads that the bug check has value of 0x000000D3. This indicates that the system attempted to access pageable memory at a process IRQL that was too high. This bug check is usually caused by drivers that have incorrectly marked their own code or data as pageable. Let's fix it, guys. First thing, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Opens up a command prompt. Click run as administrator and select as, guys. Now opens up command prompt. You just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it. There are two commands in my description. Just need to copy it one by one. For pasting this command, you just need to right click this bar and select edit and select paste it in. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan, guys. This will help you to fix the corrupted file in your computer. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification based of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100%, guys. So kindly please wait until this 100% is done. And after finishing this, you just need to copy the second command, and the same way you just need to paste it. And the second command need to get 100%, guys. After finishing this both commands, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully your problem solved, guys. The driver portion must be non-paged blue screen error has been resolved. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.